The other way that we could look at ourselves every day and every morning, I usually share this, is how you are supposed to grow yourself, especially financially, physically. Physically is health-wise, spiritually, and then of course, we've said financially, physically, socially, and you help me there. Most of the time they disturb me. We have the finances, we have the health, we have the soul, that is the spiritual, and then we have the social. So as we get to the balance of those three ways that I've shared, the way we look at ourselves, we go back again to looking at ourselves spiritually. And this being a docket for us to be in personal growth. What is your agenda? Today we are in the middle of the year. We are in the middle of the year, and some people do not even know that actually we are in the second half of 2023. Of course, every one of us, in the beginning of the year, we do certain resolutions. Some of us have vision boards. People have goals and dreams written out or in the head or in the chest. Today morning, we had a meeting before we came into this one, and we were sharing some achievements of our vision boards. And it is exciting how you achieve something just from your board, just from having thought about it, having put love in it, and then focusing in your mind, and then maybe your heart onto this, and then you achieve it. So what are your goals as Nabisunsa girls, as friends of Nabisunsa, as Muslim ladies? What are your goals spiritually? Because sometimes we need to be more practical so that we don't just move away. The areas that we usually look at in our deen today, there are things that we are going to be asked about in the kabur. Tulwawo ebintu bino okubirowoozaako naye bwe tubeerako wano tuddamu ne tubijjukira ne tubirowoozaako nti owange waliwo ebibuuzo bye baatusomesa mu darasa when we were young, the 4 questions that are going to be asked when we are put in the grave. One of the questions, number 1, is Manu Rabbuka. Akakawarabu nange nakakwata. Nga malaika ezateekebwa mu kabuli wali zirina ebibuuzo byabo, questionnaire ya bibuuzo bitonotono nga bagenda tubuuza owange obadde owangalira ku duniya emyaka gy'omazeeko emyaka 45 6 akatolo bwama yamazeeko bamuzaala 7 myaka 62 ani abadde mukamaawo? Ani abadde mukamaawo? Because in this life of kuyiriba tuyiribye bannange, I mean, waliwo lw'oyiriba n'ogamba naye seriously, sincerely, amayi naye ani akuvuga, ani akutuma, era oloopa waani, oloopebwa waani?